welcome to Prudent News. First a look at the headlines. Aam Aadmi Party hands over the draft of Goa Lokayukta bill prepared on the lines of Uttarakhand. CM says central government hasn't approved the draft. Activists say the bill is foolproof. CM assures budget without additional tax. Government stresses on plugging revenue leakages. Warns schools to complete the academic year. 5th and 6th standard students to get notebook PCs in June. Assistant Jail SP of Sada Jail, Bhanudas Pednekar, claims that he recovered around 50 mobile phones inside the jail. Inmates blame jail staff. Goa police take haftas from sand transporters to carry out illegal trade, says South Goa Sand Transport Association. Sand from Karnataka may start soon. Goa international football table could provide answers to footballing questions. Dempo wants to know how to sustain football. And Sports Minister Ramesh Tawardkar takes progress report of Lusophonia Games infrastructure. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, who always challenged centre on various issues, has referred to the central government's decision to reject Uttarakhand Lokayukta while talking about the proposed amendments. He had earlier promised to bring strong and blunt amendments on the lines of Uttarakhand. Aam Aadmi Party has maintained that Lokayukta bill submitted by them does not require central government or President's nod. Aam Aadmi Party handed over the Lokayukta bill draft based on the lines of Uttarakhand to the Chief Minister on Wednesday.
तुमची चुकीची माहिती आसा की उत्तराखंडान लोकायुक्त बिलाक केंद्रान संमती दिल्या म्हणून. We have checked up and central government has not given permission to Lokayukta Act of Uttarakhand. Therefore, what Uttarakhand is proceeding is based on the old Lokayukta. म्हणजे माहितीक सांगता. So whereas I have no objection in considering their proposal, which I will consider with due weightage.
कि उत्तराखंड का ड्राफ्ट पास विधानसभा ने पास सर्वानुमति से पास करने के बावजूद वो इन्फोर्स नहीं हो सका, क्योंकि जब वो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के पास भेजा गया तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने उसको स्वीकार करने का मना कर दिया, उसके कुछ ऐसे प्रावधान के कारण से। तो हमने उस तरह के सारे जो प्रावधान थे उस एक्ट में वो हमने निकाल दिए हैं। तो ये ड्राफ्ट एक ऐसा ड्राफ्ट है जिसके लिए राष्ट्रपति की या तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की किसी भी तरह की मंजूरी की ज़रूरत नहीं है।
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured not to levy more taxes in the upcoming budget. Similarly, government will do additional resource mobilization by plugging revenue leakages. CM briefed the media after cabinet meeting on Wednesday. The Education Minister has warned the schools that the department will withdraw approval of schools if they fail to complete minimum days of academic year. Parrikar has also mentioned that students of 5th and 6th standard will get notebook PCs in June.
असेंब्लीन बिलाची अजून नोटीस ना, पण अनेक बारीक बारीक असा विषय पंचायतीन आसा, अर्बनान आसा, देन सर्विस गॅरंटी बिल. There might be some revenue bills which I can't tell you. Not necessarily for increasing the tax. Most of the speculations are wrong. Budget इतकच कळटले, पण बरेचशे स्पेक्युलेशनान अशें इमेजिन केला की हांव टॅक्स वाडयतलो म्हणून. 284 crores have been credited as an additional resource mobilization by the state government. There are about another 400 crores which is in the pipeline. Money has not been recorded for years together. Free loot चल्लेली. ते आता कशें सांगू तुका. That is you wait for the budget. फुडल्या वर्सा दोन कितें जे कायद्यान मिनिमम दीस आहा पळय कितले ते हांव नकळो तितले जावंक जायच. If school does not do it, it will be derecognized. We have taken decision to give notepads instead of tab, and that will be delivered to them in the month of June. Cabinet approved Goa state litigation policy. Cases with less than 3 years sentence unless involving crime against children or women and not linked with activities of terrorism, anti-national act, rape, murder, attempted murder, kidnapping and such serious social crime should not be appealed beyond district and session court. Same way in lower court, if there is a petty matter, the government should not go in the higher court. The cabinet approved today creation of post for election cells of collectorate north. This will look after all the election work except maybe the actual election period where Mamledars will be. So the normal Mamledar and normal staff is dealing from the election work on day-to-day basis. In addition to that, the cabinet has also approved 6 posts of Mamledar with supporting staff, 1 post of AK with supporting staff for North Goa, 8 posts of Mamledar and 1 post of AK with supporting staff for South Goa. Law and order आणि असल्यो गजाली हँडल करणारो मामलेदार केशी बिशी हँडल करपाक आनी म्युटेशन बी हँडल करपाक फाटी पडटा कारण ताका दोनूय गजाली एकाच वाजना करपाक जायना. टोटल सगळे इलेक्शन सगळे दोनूय 128 जाता.
Assistant Jail Superintendent of Sada Jail Bhanudas Pednekar has stated before the CID team that he himself had recovered and seized around 50 mobile phones from inside the jail. But even after issuing memos by him, no action was ever taken against the jail guards. In the wake of Prudent Media's expose, CID is investigating the wrongdoings happening inside Sada Jail.
After Prudent Media expose, investigation team CID is recording statement of jail officials, staffs and inmates. According to sources, Assistant Jail Superintendent of Sada Jail, Bhanudas Pednekar has stated that during his routine checkups of jail cells, he had recovered and seized about 50 mobile phones. Pednekar also said that use of mobile phone inside jail continues as no serious action is being taken by the higher authorities. He said that he has issued memos against jail guards who were present on duty at the time of recovery of mobile phones, but no action against jail guards were taken. CID during its investigation also found ropes and matchboxes in cells. Replying about this, Pednekar said that if these things are not provided, then inmates go on hunger strike. While the inmates in their statement have alleged that jail guards and other jail staff are involved in providing all these items after taking money, the inmates also stated to the CID that escort police are also involved in supplying all such items during their visit to courts. The CID will submit its finding to State Home Ministry. Mukesh Kumar with reporter Surendra Madkekar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.